I got scammed 3 times, and honestly, that's how my real business education started. Hey, this is me Shilpa. I am the Bob the Builder of my new startup Shally, and this is my journey of making 50 crores of business from an absolute scratch. So picture this. I quit my job, full of dreams, full of ideas, and I found this seller, a verified seller from Trade India. So when I called him, he has got some perfect reviews. I like the products also from the catalog. So I called him like, अरे मैडम बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट्स है, आप पहले पार्टनरशिप करो, फिर आपको समझ में आएगा आफ्टर गेटिंग द सैम्पल. सो आई बिलीव्ड हिम. ही वाज वेरी कन्विंसिंग. आई बिलीव्ड हिम एंड सेंड द मनी. And what I have got? Something looked like a kitchen rag. Second time, it disappeared after taking the payment. And third time, I thought I'm being very smart. So checked all their GSTs in the government GST portal and cleared the payment only after getting the dispatch slip. But guess what? वो parcel आज तक नहीं पहुंचा. I was this close to quitting. And I took some time off thinking myself कि मैंने ये start ही क्यों किया था. Maybe these are the lessons that I have to pay for. And I fought back. So here's what I've learned from my whole experience. Try to always visit the supplier and check the sample yourself. इससे आपका trust भी build होगा and you can also be double sure about your sample. और अगर by any chance आप अगर visit नहीं कर पा रहे हो, in that case always check the GST number in the government GST portal. Do not make any payment in any random or personal bank account. Only make payment in the GST registered name. Third one is really interesting. Whenever you are getting into a call, always try to tell them that you are living in the city or around the city and you would actually like to go there and visit. The actual scammer will not entertain you and you can save your whole money. And lastly, always ask them to dispatch your products through a reliable or known logistic companies like Delivery, Blue Dart, India Post, DTDC, etc. I lost nearly 30,000. But वो कहते हैं ना कि you never lose, you always learn some new stuff. So yes, I did learn many things जो मुझे शायद कोई नहीं बताता. और yes, I gained confidence and I know that what things now I have to do and I have to care for. And when you are building something and you are getting scammed, getting pulled out, but still you show up, that means you are officially building something real. Come in strong if you have ever faced this kind of a start, and hit follow because I am sharing my unfiltered journey from 0 to 50 crore, one scam, one lesson at a time.